20th-year alumni homecoming of Batch 2006 Hiraya!
Of a new destination.
For St. Juliana, St. Timothy, to St. Francis!
At kaya katamo ang Batch Hiraya, nelaw si Amurin. After 20 long years, we finally made it and we are finally home. Welcome po kaya katamo, imbeng ini kaya katamo ya.
St. Anastasia! St. Angela! St. Peter!
No limits, no ceiling, no crown. No pressure gonna hold me down. No stopping till I break every rule. No limits to what I can do.
Welcome to our 20th Alumni Homecoming Batch 2006. Hiraya!
Your dreams are here. I love the name you chose for your batch. Hiraya. Napaka-Filipino.
Actually, ang daming struggle. If I remember, this is not the original name. This is not the original name of our batch kasi ang dami naming last sa batch namin. Then, we come up with Hiraya since Hiraya means deep dreams, early aspiration. Lahat kami, alam namin na all of them are successful already. Ilang tao yung nag-contribute, nagsama-sama. Effort ng halos kaming lahat, nagtulong-tulong para matuloy lang yung batch reunion namin. And finally, nandito na kami.
Searching for new life. Reaching for new heights.
Welcome Batch 2006 Hiraya! Welcome to our 20th-year alumni homecoming Batch 2006 Hiraya!
And for the word itself, dream. Parang dream lang namin. Parang gusto namin na magkita-kita talaga kasi it's been 20 years nga. Marami na kaming endeavors na reach and everything.
No time for stars.
Hindi man lahat ng batchmates namin nakadating kasi yung iba wala na, yung iba naman nasa abroad na and some of their personal concerns. But thankful kami kasi finally from a scratch, it is now coming true.
Searching for new life. Reaching for new heights.
Honestly, ang aim namin, we are not aiming for a whole production, a happiness and everything. Actually, prizes, naalala ko nung inumpisahan namin tong planning namin, sabi ko sa kanila, kahit 30 lang tayo, kahit 40 or 50 lang tayo, itutuloy natin to. Kasi yung mga ibang batchmates namin hesitant kasi nga, yung 2016 na 10 years kami noon, hindi natuloy. So parang somehow siguro, may pagdududa sa kanila kung matutuloy ba to. Pero hindi kami tumigil. You are here not for the prizes na makukuha niyo sa mga games, not for the entertainment na pagsasayaw ng old dance troupe, but for the experience seeing your old classmates, your batch, sabi nga nilang nostalgia. Babalik ka nung 2006. Ang aim ng batch namin, hindi magpasikat. Ang aim ng batch namin, magsama-sama ulit, ibalik yung dati, magkwentuhan.
No time, oh, the wild is calling. The wild is calling now. Wild is calling.
That as we reunite once more, We are not here to make other people feel that we are perfect than them. We are not here to make our batchmate realize that they are a failure and we are victorious.
Into the daylight. So open your eyes. We're making the climb, taking the dive. Deep in
I hope that I still can see you on your 25th, on your 30th, even on your golden anniversary. I love you two kids and all the batch of Hiraya. Congratulations. I salute you. Laos Deo Semper.